Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn some English words that start with the letter A, from artichoke to army. Each word comes with a simple definition and an example of use. Let's get started. Artichoke, a green vegetable with thick leaves and a soft heart inside. She bought a fresh artichoke at the market and cooked it with garlic and olive oil for dinner. Aubergine, a purple vegetable with soft white flesh. The aubergine, also called eggplant, is a vegetable that tastes delicious when grilled with spices and served with rice. Anchovy, a small salty fish often used in pizza or sauces. She added a few anchovies to the pizza, which gave it a salty and rich flavor that everyone loved at dinner. Asparagus, a long green vegetable with a tender top. Grilled asparagus is a tasty and healthy side dish that pairs well with chicken or fish for a balanced meal. Adder, a small venomous snake found in Europe. While hiking in the forest, we saw an adder resting under a rock, but it quickly slithered away when we approached. Ant, a very small insect that lives in colonies. A small ant carried a crumb across the picnic table, surprising everyone with how strong such a tiny creature could be. Antelope, a fast-running animal with horns, living in Africa and Asia. The antelope ran gracefully across the open plains, jumping over bushes and searching for water near the river. Avalanche, a large amount of snow that falls quickly down a mountain. The skiers avoided the dangerous slope because there was a high risk of an avalanche after the heavy snowfall last night. Abbey, a large church or building where monks or nuns live. The old abbey on the hill has tall stone walls, beautiful stained glass windows, and a peaceful garden around it. Apple tree, a tree that produces apples. There is a big apple tree in the garden, and in autumn, its branches are full of red apples. April, the fourth month of the year. In April, the weather becomes warmer, flowers bloom in the parks, and people enjoy spending more time outside. Autumn, the season between summer and winter, when leaves fall. During autumn, the leaves on the trees turn orange and red, and the air becomes crisp and cool in the mornings. August, the eighth month of the year. In August, families often take vacations, enjoying the last days of summer before school starts again in September. Ace, a playing card with one symbol. In sports, a perfect serve. He served an ace during the tennis match, and the crowd cheered loudly because his opponent could not return the ball. Ankle, the joint between the foot and the leg. After tripping on the stairs, she sprained her ankle and had to rest for a few days at home. Apron, a piece of clothing worn over the front to protect clothes when cooking. She put on her apron before baking cookies to keep her clothes clean while working with flour and butter. Armchair, a big comfortable chair with arms. He sat in the comfortable armchair by the fireplace, reading a book and sipping a cup of hot tea. National anthem, the official song of a country, played at ceremonies. Everyone stood up and sang the national anthem with pride during the ceremony before the start of the football game. Army, a large group of soldiers trained for war. The army marched across the field in perfect rows, with soldiers carrying flags and wearing neatly pressed uniforms. That's all for today's words starting with A. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video with more English vocabulary.